Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Trello with ClickUp, complete guide step by step clearly. To configure Trello with ClickUp, start by logging into your ClickUp account. Once logged in, navigate to the workspace where you wish to integrate Trello. In the left sidebar, find and click on Integrations. Look for the Trello integration option and click on it. Next, click on the Connect button to initiate the integration process. A new window will pop up, prompting you to log into your Trello account. Enter your Trello credentials and authorize ClickUp to access your Trello boards. After authorization, you will be redirected back to ClickUp. You will now see a list of your Trello boards in the integration settings. Select the Trello boards you want to import into ClickUp. Decide whether you want to import tasks, lists, or cards from Trello. Adjust any specific settings according to your preferences. After customizing the options, click the Import button to start transferring data. Wait for the import process to complete. Once done, you will receive a notification confirming the successful integration. To check your imported tasks, navigate to the Tasks section in ClickUp. Review your imported tasks and ensure they reflect your Trello boards accurately. If necessary, make any adjustments to the tasks or lists within ClickUp. To set up automatic updates, go back to the Trello integration settings. Enable the option for two-way sync if desired. This will ensure that any changes made in ClickUp will also reflect in Trello. Finally, test the integration by making changes in either platform to confirm everything is working smoothly. Congratulations! You have successfully configured Trello with ClickUp. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.